So make a table. So I am taking capital K, capital Y, capital L, small k, which is capital K by labor, small y, which is capital Y by labor, K phi or K curl, which is capital K by AL, कैपिटल पर प्रोडक्टिव लेबर, जिसके बारे में मैं अभी बात करूंगी, एंड वाई कर्ल विच विल बी कैपिटल वाई बाय प्रोडक्टिव लेबर. ठीक है. एंड नाउ वी आर सीइंग द फर्स्ट मॉडल जो हमने लिया है, इट इज विद नो, विद ओनली टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस ले लेते हैं, विद ओनली technological progress. Yeah, let's start with only labor growth. तो labor is growing at the rate n. Technological growth नहीं है, there is no technology present. Capital K was growing at the rate n. Capital L at y at the rate n. Small y में steady state में there was no growth rate. Small y में no growth rate, small k में no growth rate, and these were not even introduced, so no growth rate. Notice that if in exam they tell you that there is no labor growth also, labor is not growing, माने n becomes 0. अगर लेबर ग्रो नहीं करेगा तो कैपिटल के और कैपिटल वाई भी ग्रो नहीं करेगा. सेविंग्स या डिप्रिसिएशन से कोई ग्रोथ रेट नहीं होता, and then others will anyways be 0. So this is when labor growth rate is 0, when labor is growing at the rate n. Third part. Now we are saying when there is also technological growth rate. Labor to grow कर ही रहा है, but technology is growing at the rate A dot A is G, at the rate G. Now we just proved that if technology is growing at the rate G, so small k will grow at the rate G, small y will grow at the rate G. जो पहले 0 थे, they will grow at the rate G. ठीक है. We still have to fill up this table completely. Now if I talk about capital K, तो capital K क्या है? If I talk about small k, so small k was what? Capital K divided by L. This was when no technology present. जब कोई टेक्नोलॉजी प्रेजेंट नहीं थी, we were defining small k as k by L. Now I want to introduce a new term to you, which will be called as k curl. और ये k curl क्या होगा? It will be capital divided by AL. There are two ways to interpret this thing. The first way to interpret this thing is capital by labor by A. So small k by A. This, many authors call this as capital technology ratio. Capital technology ratio. The other way to go ahead and to define this thing is capital K divided by AL as a whole. And many authors call this as capital per productive labor. दोनों का मतलब सेम ही है. I am dividing capital by AL. But this term is called as capital technology ratio. And this term is called as capital per productive labor. Right? So K curl, यहाँ पे कैपिटल स्मॉल के का एक ही इंटरप्रिटेशन था, कैपिटल पर यूनिट लेबर, कैपिटल पर कैपिटा. But small k actually has two interpretations to it. So now we want to work with these two small k's. Now let me just take you back. Okay. So this is where I am currently. We proved that this gx is equal to g. So we have proved that small y and small k. K कैसे डिफाइंड है? कैपिटल पर लेबर. Y कैसे डिफाइंड है? आउटपुट पर लेबर. We have proved that in the presence of technology, these two will be growing at the rate of the growth rate of technology, right? So output per worker and capital per worker grow at the rate of G, at the rate of technology. And अगर ये technological growth rate ही zero है, that means we are back to the previous model. So we know that small y and small k will not grow. They will grow at the rate of zero. ठीक है, because growth rate of technology becomes zero. ठीक है. So it means that now we have proved one more thing. और क्या चीज हमने प्रूव किया? That there can be presence of sustained per capita growth rates in the economy. क्यों जीडीपी पर पॉपुलेशन, जीडीपी पर यूनिट ऑफ लेबर, क्यों ये ग्रो कर रहा है? व्हाई दिस इज ग्रोइंग ओवर टाइम? बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रोग्रेस. सो आउटपुट पर कैपिटा पर पर्सन can grow in the economy, but why will it grow? It can grow due to the technological progress, right? ठीक है. So we will go ahead and stop here for today.